Hello. So today is 18th May and we are studying the charts post market, and let us see what has happened till now and what we had expected, uh, and how the market has panned out. So right in front of me I have this nifty chart, nifty hourly chart. I am looking at. We had suspected some amount of correction to be seen in the market, and that is what precisely is happening. So the analysis is pretty bang on. So let us see how the market has panned by now. Though the week is not yet over, let us look at nifty chart. So this is nifty hourly chart, and over here if we zoom out and look at the chart, so what we see is a good amount of bull picture till this point. So how do we identify the bullish trend? Is simple. Uptrend is defined by higher high and higher lows. So if we start from here, so we get a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If you carefully observe this area, you will notice that though the highs which are, though the trend is still higher high, higher low, but we were seeing this tight higher high and higher lows range. Whenever you see some amount of tight higher highs, you have to be cautious. That means though the price is going up, but bulls are not able to maintain that momentum. So somewhere momentum is lost. That is the first sign when you see this tight high, higher lows. After this high, which was made on Monday, 15th May, we saw a good amount of correction, making the first lower low. If we compare this low and this low, what we see is the first lower low. Okay, so that's first sign of the trend change. After the lower low, we have got the lower high over here. So let me repeat, the trend initially was the higher high, higher low, and as per our expectation, the correction has started, and what we see now is the lower low, a, a formation of a lower high, which is precisely I had marked this level today. How do I know this level? Is simply I had applied the Fibonacci tool from the first correction that we had got, and exactly at 50% level we saw the gap up opening today, and the price started to decline. So this is probably the new lower high that we had gone, but yet we haven't broke the low which was formed on 17 May. So this low is 18115 and we are quite near the low. So now it will be very crucial to watch that do we break below this low, and then we are further going into decline, and we are getting a, we may get a new lower low. So let us see, but there is but in case of bank nifty is a stronger index. So if we zoom out and see in the good uptrending move, we saw this tight range, and we saw almost a double top kind of structure today. So the high which was made on the top, which was made on 15th May, then we had a good correction, but we didn't get a lower low. So in case of nifty, we had got the lower low on Wednesday, but in case of bank nifty, we are still trading above the previous low. So it is so the conclusion is, though the nifty has turned bearish on an hourly chart, bank nifty is yet not confirmed the start of the bearish trend. So that is one very essential point that we must note. Though we have got a lower high formation on the bank nifty hourly chart, but yet let us not assume that it is a bearish trend unless and until we get one lower low. Once the lower low is confirmed, then and then only we can comfortably say that now nifty bank also has turned into bearish trend. So tomorrow and coming days will be crucial, that we must see. Currently again the nifty and bank nifty indices are not confirming each other. When I say confirming each other, that means they are not in sync. Nifty has turned bearish, but bank nifty is still showing some strength. Though the momentum of the upside is lost, but still it is too early to say that we are turning into the bearish territory unless and until this low made on Wednesday is broken on the downside. So let us see what is happening. Also, we had discussed about some of the indices, um, especially we had expected that PSU banks are in danger, and that is what precisely is happened. So Nifty PSU has shown a good amount of correction. All the PSUs like SBI result was there, so after the result there was a classic dump in the SBI. Same is the case with Canara Bank, RBL Bank, and many other banks. Also, we had expected that Nifty auto looks overbought, and we may see some cooling off, and that is what precisely is happening in auto. So, yes, these are the sectors. Again, I would repeat that we need to focus on if we are expecting some more correction in the coming days. So, PSU banks, auto sector, even energy sector is quite looks like it is in the formation of the lower high on the weekly chart. So energy sector, and yes, one more sector, that is metal sector. So even when metal sector looks weak, so all these sectors are looking weaker, and FMCG. So FMCG again looks like in the formation of the shooting star on the weekly time frame. So yes, we may see some sector rotation wise correction in the FMCG sectors. So you can also focus on ITC, Tata Consumer, Britannia, and all those stocks. Yes, ITC is going good as per our expectation. It is showing us some correction. So we will see how it pans out. So to conclude everything, let us focus on the indices once again, and let us observe uh, that whether bank nifty follows nifty and turns bearish, or nifty breaks this today's high to be called as a bullish. So let us see, it will be very interesting to watch what next. Thank you. Bye.